Here I have HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's press power key to unlock your screen. Then let's find settings. Here you have to scroll down and choose the advanced settings. Tap language and input. Select language from the top of the screen, and as you can see, right now you are using English from United Kingdom, but if you would like to, you can add a language. So let's choose add a language, and you can choose one of the following languages from the following list. So for example, let me just say that I would like to change my language from English to Spanish. So let's tap on Espanol. Let's choose your region. In my case it could be España. As you can see, now you have to place the Espanol into the first position. So let's do it. That's it. And right now the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just find and select Ajustes. Scroll down, choose Ajustes Avanzados. Tap Idioma y Traducción. Tap Idioma one more time. Let's place English into the first position. And that's it, everything is in English. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.